In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not opening. We'll move through a quick set of checks in a logical order so you can get back into your inbox as fast as possible. Start with the easiest fix: a refresh. Open Yahoo Mail in your browser, then press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button. If you're on a Mac, Command+R works too. Give the page a moment to reconnect and see if your inbox loads properly. Sometimes a simple refresh clears a temporary hiccup. If that doesn't do it, try opening Yahoo Mail in a private session. Open your browser menu and choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window, depending on your browser. In that fresh window, go to mail.yahoo.com and sign in again. Private mode uses a clean slate without your usual cookies and extensions, which helps you figure out if the issue is caused by something in your normal browsing session. If Yahoo Mail opens here, you'll know the problem is likely related to stored data. Next, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy and Security section, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. Choosing a longer time range, like all time, is most thorough. Confirm the clear, then fully close and restart your browser so the changes take effect before trying Yahoo Mail again. While you're at it, ensure your browser is up to date. Open the browser menu, go to Help, then find Update or About. Your browser will check for updates and install them automatically. When it finishes, restart the browser. Updated browsers fix bugs that can prevent sites like Yahoo Mail from loading correctly. If Yahoo Mail still won't open, check your internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi or router to refresh the link to your provider. Test another website to confirm pages are loading normally. Once your connection is stable, return to Yahoo Mail and try again. Finally, refresh your Yahoo session. In Yahoo Mail, click your profile icon and select Sign Out. Then sign in again with your email and password. This resets your session and can resolve token or cookie issues that block loading. Work through these steps in order, and after each one, try opening your inbox again. A refresh or private window often reveals the cause quickly, while clearing cache, updating the browser, and checking your connection take care of deeper issues. With that, you should have Yahoo Mail opening smoothly. Thanks for watching.